An owl actually adopted a kitten as its child. When the man tried to touch the kitten, the little cat hid in the owl's arms. He refused to give her a chance to touch him. The owl clearly saw this human being as a threat to his child and openly looked at him with a frightened look, which used to say, "Go away, friend." According to local children, the owl regularly brought rats to feed the kitten. They were like mother and child. Who would have believed that two completely different species could coexist so harmoniously? Fascinated by the cute kitten, the man decided his brother wanted to adopt it, but he knew he had to convince the protective owl first. He first picked up a nearby leaf, then went to a nearby shop and bought food for the cat. When he returned and offered food to the owl, he initially ignored him, but his firmness brought color, and eventually the winged protector accepted his gesture. After a few patient feeding sessions, the owl's attitude began to soften. He is the man, allowed to gently caress her stomach without any opposition. When he reached out again to the kitten, the owl no longer seemed to protect the child he had adopted, but to accept it. Surprisingly, the little orange tabby showed no fear of humans at all. As the man was preparing to leave, another meow echoed from the hollow of the tree. Wait, were there more kittens? Certainly, after some searching, he discovered another orange tabby sleeping deep inside the hollow. The two cats looked almost identical, apparently siblings who somehow came into the care of the owl. This winged foster mother was raising not one but two kittens. This is called exceeding expectations. When the man gently picked up the two orange kittens, the owl did not object. Perhaps he understood that life with humans would provide these children with better opportunities than life in the wild. Despite being outside, both kittens looked surprisingly clean and well-groomed, which was a testament to their owl mother's excellent care. But wait. Determined to make sure no kitten was left behind, the man took another look inside the hollow and saw a third surprise. A shy white kitten looked at him with tearful eyes. How many children did this owl take under its wings? The little white kitten was more shy than his orange siblings. When the stranger came near, he quickly went into the hollow and deeper. But after the same patient process of feeding and slowly convincing, the man successfully picked up the third kitten. Now that all three children were in his care, the man made a final decision. He carefully placed Kullu also in a carrier. This wonderful foster family deserved to be together at the man's home that already served as a shelter for several other rescued stray animals. This unusual family will never have to worry about their next meal again. Sometimes the most beautiful families are those that are formed in the most unexpected ways.